Hello everyone and welcome to another video of learning the lowercase letters of cursive writing. So cursive writing is a beautiful expression. Yes, it's an expression. It reveals how you feel. So when you see handwriting like really pointy, like aggressive, can you see that? It's angry. And when you write smooth, this is smooth and beautiful, gentle. Oh, that's too much, but still, it's beautiful. The handwriting is basically the expression of how you feel, whether you're feeling angry, sad, or happy, or just too excited. Everything is revealed in the handwriting. In today's class, we're going to learn the next alphabet. It's going to be similar to what we learned in the previous video. We learned the letter G, which consists of the letter C, the A, and but. You bring it down like this to form a loop and it becomes the letter G. I hope you all practice the letter G properly because we're going to go the other side of G. So in the letter G, it was the lower zone. I hate doing this. The lower zone. But in today's session, we're going to follow the same thing. The letter C, A, and this time you're not going to retrace. Instead, you're going to move up to form this letter D. So this is a bit tricky letter. We are asked to write D. Like whenever we make a line that goes up, we are asked to make a loop on top. But in case of D, you must avoid that because you already make a form like this. See to that you retrace this line to make the D look really decent. So let's practice the letter A. Draw a line here. Do not bend it. Control your pencil and retrace it down straight. Some of us, while writing D, it goes up like that. See, the angle is quite different. For the letter A, it goes right slant and D stands straight. It's okay for the letter to slant like that. You need to slant the cursive writing to make it look like a cursive writing. Just do the letter A. Maintain the same slant of A. Draw a straight line and bring it down. So when you write it fast, it's how it's going to look. It's how it's going to look. D. Simple as that. Do not make a loop like this. I don't know how to read that. It looks like a L and O combined together to avoid that confusion. So it's like O and L. Okay. So when you write D, it's clear. So when you do it like this, it's going to look like O and L. So avoid that. So let's practice D again. Make a C. Bring it down. Avoid the triangle. Line that slants in that manner. And then like this, the letter D. So what do you feel about this letter D? D stands for dignity, discipline. Everything comes with the letter D. And this letter does give me the same vibe. It talks about, your dignity. Like how you present yourself, how you feel about your personal values, and how high your standards are. So I'm not asking you to write a very tall D, nor a short one, just a balanced one with the upper zone and with the upper zone and middle zone balanced. That's the main practice of the letter D, a balance between the zones. Do not extend it up like that, nor a short one like this. It looks like an A. Okay, so take your time in practicing the letter D. Focus on how you write. First observe, take your old books, check how you have written the letter D, and check with how you have written it in recent times, like yesterday. And also start practicing the letter D in this manner from now onwards. Any exams or any letter or any rough notes that you write, make sure you write D in this manner. So keep practicing. We'll meet in another video in the next class. Bye bye.